go to this website, use this free software, and start reading emails and actually making money. Inside this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start making money just by reading emails. There's so many different companies out there that will pay you for proofreading their emails before they send them out to a mass amount of people. So if you have 30 minutes per day, this strategy is going to work for you as long as you plug in and listen to every word of this video. So the question is, how many articles, how many emails have you read for free? How would you like to get paid $5 to $10 per page of an email just by reading it? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the website, the software that you can use to speed up the process, and how you can start doing it today. But first, what I would need for you guys to go ahead and do is go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell as I come out with new videos on how to make money online on this channel. The whole concept behind this channel is to help individuals with different ways of making money online so they can invest in the passive income ideas that are covered on this YouTube channel. Something I've been doing different is doing a giveaway every single Friday. And what I do is I give away my ecom course, one-on-one mentorship sometimes, and any other course that I actually come out with will be entered into this giveaway and also inside of this membership area. So if you go ahead and comment the word email right below this video, that enters you into the giveaway. And every Friday I use a random software that helps me to pick someone out of the comment section of my videos to actually win this prize. So the more entries that you have into the giveaway, the more chances that you have to win. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this tutorial on how you can start making money just by reading emails. So we've arrived on a website, and here on this website they have plenty of different jobs about proofreading emails, pretty much any type of job when it comes to that. Okay, they do have other jobs, like I said again, advertising, online teaching, translation, proofreading, but we're going to only focus on proofreading. So I want to click on this so I can show you guys exactly what this is about and how you can actually start making some money. So the nature of the job is basically there are individuals who have companies that want somebody to actually proofread all the emails that go out to their email list and to their customers or database. And you're going to be the one that's actually doing the proofreading for them. But you're going to be able to also make between $5 and $10 per page or per 1,000 words that you're going to proofread on this website. Okay. So when you get a job, each individual email that they set up, maybe 2 pages long, 3 pages long, 4 pages long. And I'm going to show you some examples here in a second of these emails so you can see exactly how it works. Now, once you actually hit $25, you can actually start to receive your payment. They pay out on the 15th of every single month. So let's just say that you only did 2 articles or 2 pages of emails of proofreading, and you've only generated $20. Let's say that today also is the 15th. You would not get paid out today because you didn't hit the threshold of $25 for that to work. So once you go ahead and use this website, just keep that in mind. They pay out on the 15th. You have to have at least $25 threshold of commissions just from proofreading these people's websites. So now what you need to do right now is you need to go ahead and go to Apply Jobs. Once you click on Apply Jobs, you scroll all the way down to where it says Application Form. Once you click on Application Form, you're going to see that there's a registration form right here. And right here next, what you're going to do is you're going to go straight to proofreading jobs. Then you're going to type in your name, your email address, the birth, gender, marital status, contact phone number, country, unemployed, or whatever one that fits, the hours available, you're comfortable to work with multiple companies, the best way to receive earnings is through PayPal, yes, and then you're going to type in your name. Once you receive your first job, this is what it looks like. This is what an article looks like in the email from a company that has basically its own employee, its own newsletter. And what they want you to do is they want you to proofread every single bit of this. Okay. So when you go through this, depending on how long it's going to take you, you can just basically divide that up on how much you're going to make per hour. And you can determine that by how many pages this actual email is going to take up. So as you can see, there's one email, there's actually 8 different pages of emails. If you look over here in the right top right corner over here, it says 8 pages. So in essence, you're going to make between $40 and $80 just from this job alone by proofreading these email articles and then sending them back over with the corrections. I can already see that there's some corrections that need to be made within this, but there's also software out there that allows you to proofread all of this without you having to do it yourself, and it also finds the errors that you can go ahead and quickly fix. So if you maybe, if you're speaking a different language, or you just don't get some of the things that about grammar, or maybe your grammar is not that great, then you can utilize this software that I'm going to share with you right now inside this video. But the name of the website here is called cjinkinc.com. Okay, cjinkinc.com is the name of the website where you're going to be able to apply and obviously go ahead and accept jobs for proofreading companies' emails, and then obviously resending that information back over to that business or corporation in order to start making money from this method. So I'm going to go ahead and hop on over to the software, and I'm going to go ahead and copy all this information right here so we can go ahead and proofread all of this with using that software. So here's the software that you're going to be able to use for free. It is called SlickWrite. SlickWrite is a software that automatically proofreads your information for grammar errors. So all we're going to do is we're going to hit start writing right here. And as you can see, I've already posted this article within this form right here, trying to speed up the process. And all you got to do right here is go ahead and hit continue. Once you hit continue, it's going to read your entire article, and it's going to find all of the grammatical errors within the article. And you are to go ahead and fix those grammatical errors, and then go ahead and recopy that information and reformat it right back onto your Google Sheets. Once you get done with the Google Sheets, then you can save this as a PDF, and then you're ready to go ahead and deliver this content to the person who actually hired you to do the proofreading of this article. So coupled with this software, it's a lot easier and faster to actually get things done. And so I highly recommend using the two, especially if your grammar is not the greatest, or maybe, you're just not really that good, or English is not your strong suit. You can actually use this software to help you in that process. It'll definitely speed things up for you instead of you reading the entire article, especially an article like this where there's 8 pages and, you're looking to get the best bang for your buck. So you want to get more jobs. You want to make sure you do a good job by definitely double proofreading this article. So after you use the software and you go over all of that information there, then all you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and make sure that you read it again, go over all of the proofreading information just to make sure that this article is good to send to the person who's hiring you for this proofreading job. With all of that being said, guys, if you don't want to go through this process and you want to have something that starts to make money immediately, I definitely suggest going in the description of this YouTube video, clicking the link, and then you'll arrive on a page like this. Just take the brief survey. Once you get done, go ahead and paste your name and your email into the field. And what's going to happen is I'm going to send you over the website where you can evaluate and review the program that you can join that allows you to make passive income in multiple different ways just by promoting the website in the way that they show you. Okay. So it's a step-by-step process. They teach you everything that you need to know to start becoming an internet marketer and making some money online on complete autopilot. So that's not to deter you from utilizing this strategy. If you just want to, have something that's really simple and to make some money right now, this is a strategy that does work. But what I tell all of my people, or people who actually watch my videos, is that it's highly important that you reinvest this money back into your business so you can start making passive income. The idea is not to be doing this every single day for 8-10 hours a day. The idea is to do this to make money so that you can reinvest into other passive income stream ideas or things that are working. On this YouTube channel, I do go over other passive income ideas, and I actually show you how it actually works and how you can utilize the strategies that I've found that are the most profitable to start making money with these strategies. So with that being said, guys, also as well, when you go ahead and opt into that email list, I'm actually building out a free course that you're going to be able to get whenever I'm finished with it. You're going to get an email from me stating exactly where that free training is and how you can start going and following along with the free training. So with that being said, you guys take care definitely, and I will see you at the top.